Jardine's Lookout is a mountain in Wan Chai, Hong Kong. It has a height of 433 meters. It is located east of Happy Valley and south of Causeway Bay, north of Tai Tam Country Park. A low-density residential area called Jardine's Lookout can be found between Wong Nai Chung Gap and Mount Butler. The residential area of Jardine's Lookout consists of 13 roads named after famous British persons during Hong Kong's colonial times. Addresses on Tai Hang Road, Tai Hang Drive, and Chum Bai Road are considered to be mid-levels of Tai Hang or Happy Valley. And Jardine's Lookout is surrounded by several other hills, including Mount Nicholson, Violet Hill, and Mount Butler. Jardine's Lookout was actually named after William Jardine, the founder of Jardine medicine.